Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing a cherry blossom tree with watercolor painting. At first put some water on the paper like this. Then I'm applying blue color. Now I'm using red color. If you love my video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon for future notifications, and don't forget to hit the like, comment and share button. If you want, you can also visit my Instagram for more art. Now I'm using a mixture of red and black color to draw the tree. I really love cherry blossom trees and I really want to draw one of them, but I'm not good at it right now, but I'm still trying to draw. In future I will draw more cherry blossom tree. You can use burnt sienna, brown color for trees too, but here I am using a mixture of red and black color. But you can use also brown color or any kind of color that you want. And I have also done a tutorial about how to draw a tree. You can also visit that video to learn how to draw a tree. Here I am drawing a cherry blossom tree, but there I did a normal tree. It's almost done. I'm done with the trees almost. Now I am drawing those petals of the tree with red color. Just do it as you like. Here I'm doing, you can also follow my instruction for it. I'm just drawing those leaves or petals, whatever you call it, you can draw it. I really want to see my eyes that how really tree blossom look like in real life, but I have never seen any, but I have seen in TVs, in television, on phone. Now I'm using dark blue color for the shadow of the tree. Don't use directly black color for the shadow. Here I'm using dark blue color, but I was thinking that if I use dark black color then it won't look good. That's why I used blue color. Now I'm drawing border with black color. Now I'm using black color for the tree. I'm applying more red color for the cherry blossom tree. I'm putting more red dots for the leaves. Now I'm putting blue color. It's pushy and blue. Apply some blue dots for the shadows of the leaf, like this. Now I'm putting more, and now I'm putting brown color for the tree. I'm applying more red color dot for the leaves on the ground. Now I'm applying white color. It's almost done. It's done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Bye.